Good morning all. So in today's lecture, we'll study about a package. What is a package? Package is nothing but it is a hierarchical file directory structure and it mainly consists of modules as well as the other packages. Modules are nothing but these are the Python files which are saved by using .py extension. This module, it contains the definition of other functions as well as other variables. Okay. And here in each and every Python package, it contains the init file. Init is used by using this format double underscore init double underscore dot py. Okay, this file is compulsory for each and every package. Now we'll study how to create a package. To create a package, first we need to find out the location of Python in your system. After that, you need to create one folder here. As it is a file directory, means we need to create a folder here. These folders are nothing but packages. For this folder, I will use package one name. Package one is my folder name, and here packages are nothing but it mainly consists of the modules. So here I need to insert one or more modules. So for that purpose, I will use ideally. We'll go to the new file. We'll create one file here, and in this file we'll define some function. Suppose addition function. I will define here a and b variables are required for this addition function. After that, I will print the addition is equal to a plus b. Okay, so one add function I have defined here. I will define one variable also. str1 is suppose that variable name, and in this variable I will print hello world. Okay, so str1 is a variable name. This variable is nothing but it is a string, and this string contains this values hello world. Now I need to save this program. I will save this program in my package. So my package is this one, package one. Okay, we'll go to this package one. After that, I will save this file with the name, suppose module. This one is a module, so I will use module as a name for this file, module.py. Okay, if you want, you can create more than one modules. I will create one more file here, and here in this file, I will use the multiplication function. I will define multiplication function. For multiplication, again, two variables are required. Suppose a and b are this variable. After that, I need to print the multiplication of these two numbers. Multiplication is given by a into b. So the multiplication is equal to a into b. Okay, so I will save this file in the same location. Package one is our package name. So in this file, I will save the another file also. Another file name is a module one. Okay, so two modules we have saved in our package. Now we need to create one more file here, which is the init file. It is a compulsory in each and every package. So save this file with double underscore init double underscore dot py extension. Okay, so at the starting I have not given a single line here in init file. Now I will create one more file, and this file is, I will save this file outside the package. Okay, package one is our package name. I will save this file outside the package. I will use trial4.py as a name for this file, and here I'm going to import those packages. To import a package, the same syntax we are going to use here. Import that package name. The package name is package one. Okay, and from this package, in package one, two modules we have defined, right? Module and the module one. So here I need to import those modules. So I will use, instead of import package one, I will use from package one import those modules, and name for those module is, first one is module, second one is module one. Okay, after that I'm going to call the functions which are defined in this module. In module 1, addition function is defined. So I will call that function. To call this function, you will require the file name, means module name. Module name is module dot add. So here we'll call this function which is given in module file, and we'll pass two values 4 and 7 here. After that, in same module I have defined one variable also, str1. So to print that variable value, I will use print statement, and here again I will require the name of that file, which is a module1 module file, and then str1 is the variable name. So from the second module, if you want to print in second module, module 1, I have defined one value here. Module 1 is the name of that file, and in this second module, I have defined one function. That function name is a multiplication. So mult is a function name, and here again we'll pass the two values here, 4 and the 7 suppose. So it will perform multiplication, and this one will perform the addition. We'll run this program. It will give you the output. So addition and the multiplication, these functions are not defined in this file. These functions are defined in a package. And in package also it is defined in different modules. So by using this statement, we can run it. Okay. But here in init file, we have not taken the single statement here, right? If you want, you can give the information of all of these modules in init file also. So for that purpose, what we need to do? We need to use the same thing syntax from dot. Why we are using dot here? Because here this module and the module 1, these files are given within your that package 1, correct? So here we'll use from dot this module 1, import the functions from module 1, from module import this function, this variable. For that purpose, we'll use dot. Dot means it will directly go to this location where this init file is stored. So because of this, only we are using dot here. As with the help of this dot, we'll directly go to this package 1 location. Okay. So from module here we have defined one function. That function name is addition, and we have defined one more variable here, which is str1. So we'll import this function and the str1 from the module file. After that, the second module is in init file. It contains the information of all the modules which are given in your package. Okay. So आपके पैकेज में अगर आपने 100 फाइल्स डिफाइन किए, 100 मॉडल्स डिफाइन किए, क्रिएट किए, तो आपको यहाँ पे 100 मॉडल्स की इंफॉर्मेशन देनी पड़ेगी. ओके. सो फ्रॉम दिस मॉड्यूल इंपोर्ट the functions which are defined in this module. In module 1, we have defined multiplication function. So we'll use mult variable here. Okay. Now we'll save this program. Now go to this location package 1. Here we have, in previous case, we executed that program without init, means without any statement given in init file, right? init file में कुछ भी नहीं दिया था तब एग्जीक्यूट किया था. सो इसलिए हम ये कैशे डिलीट कर रहे हैं. अभी हमने init फाइल में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन दी है, करेक्ट है? दिस init file, for each and every package, init file is compulsory, and in this init file you need to add the information of all the modules which are given in a package. Here in my package only 2 modules are given, so I have given 2 modules information in my init file. Okay. Now we'll go to this file where I'm going to import it. So here I need to do some changes. So instead of using this, I will use import the package name. Now I will not require that module name. Directly I will use package name. Package 1 is my package name. So here, whatever the functions, whatever the variables I need to call here, I need to display here. For that purpose, I will use that package name dot function name. Okay, so instead of that file name, I will use package name here. My package name is a package one. So from package, add this function, it will be called. So whenever this line will execute, it will go to the init file, and in init file it will find out the location of this add function, and it will execute that function. Okay, so here also I need to use package one dot str and module one. Instead of using that module's name, we'll use package name here, and we'll execute all of these statements. So if I am using like this package one.str, it will go to the init file, and in init file str1 location is given, and from that str1 location will print the value of this str1 variable. Okay, and here also the multiplication, this function is given in um, another file, another module one, correct? So here also what happen, it will goes to the init file, and in init file it will find out the location of this multiplication variable, multiplication function, sorry. So this function is given in module one. It will directly go to the module one file, module, and here multiplication, in multiplication whatever the statements are given, those statements will be executed. Now we'll run this program. Okay, it will give you the same output here. So likewise, you can create a package, you can import a package, and in init file, you can give the information of each and every modules. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this video.